Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal, no contract reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 31st of March. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Action can be from your side also. I'm having a very good hair day today, so I'm enjoying. Yeah, I'm looking like a strawberry ice cream today. I love pink color, by the way. It's my favorite. Anyways, let's start. The person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are tada. Let's see. I don't know why I did that. My inner child is coming out like crazy today. Yeah. We have the Nine of Cups, the Justice, and the Chariot. Wow. So, according to this person, according to the cards, this person is feeling that they should do whatever it takes to make themselves happy. They should just do the right thing, and the right thing for them to is keep moving ahead in their life and never look back. Because according to them, they tried everything in their power to make things happen between you and them. And at some point of time, they realize that it's never going to work out. And according to them, they feel like they should just do things that makes them happy. They should focus on their wish fulfillments, their happiness, and they should just do the right thing. And the right thing here is to keep moving ahead and not look back. Yeah. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, the Hermit. Before jumping into any kind of new situation in their life with or without you, they want to think with all of their heart and soul, with all the wisdom, knowledge, experiences, everything that they have gained till now in this lifetime. They just want to think about it with everything, every possible way. Then they want to move to the next chapter of their life. It's not about you only, Pisces, right now. It's about the transformation that they are going through, the huge transformation that they are going through inside out. And they just don't want to waste this lessons, this understanding and this wisdom and knowledge onto something that they think is not good for them right now. So according to the cards, according to me also, this person is kind of having a good intention where they just want to make the next move in their life only when they are going to be prepared. So they want to use all of their actually whatever they have gone through, whatever lessons, blessings, and whatever they have gone through till this point. They just want to make sure that they are going to use this experience in the next chapter, in the next level. Quite good. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 31st of March. We have the Knight of Wands, the Strength card, the Seven of Cups. It's like from time to time they are going to get this desire of connecting with you, but they are going to hold back, and they are going to distract themselves with multiple things, multiple people, multiple energies, and whatnot. So instead of talking to you, instead of coming towards you and maybe talking it out or sorting it out, whatever is applicable in your case, they are going to do whatever it takes for them to not to think about the situation. So it's like basically they are trying very hard to move on from the situation. But as we move on, it's our general human nature. As we start moving on, we definitely have this calling from the past life one time, at least one, two, three times, if we are really moving on. So they right now they are in the testing phase where they definitely get this urge and this desire to connect with you from time to time, but they are just trying to not to do that. And whatever it takes from their side to not to do that, they are just doing that. I don't see them coming to you as of now. For you, the guidance is the Temperance. Do not lose your mind or your patience or your energies on something that you know is not good for you or not meant for you, or something that's not actually giving you anything good in return. This whole situation is teaching you a very, very big lesson, and you know that lesson very, very well. I don't even have to tell you guys or say anything to you about that. But you are not being patient with yourself. You are kind of very hard on yourself right now. You're not being kind and compassionate and loving to yourself the way you are with others. It's like putting everyone else and everything else first and then putting yourself last. You should do the reverse. then you will be able to connect with other people and other situations also in a loving and compassionate with the way you should. So do not lose your mind, do not lose your patience, and do not be hard on yourself, Pisces. It's life and the show must go on, right? But in this show must go on kind of energy, put yourself first, always. Yeah? Not in a arrogant way, but in a loving and compassionate way. That's the deal here. Hmm? So I use the Light Seers Tarot deck for this reading today. A lot of people ask me when I use these colorful cards. And if you are interested in knowing my spiritual journey from my childhood till this point, I will leave the video link in the comment section. You can check that out if you want to. Otherwise, you are just good to go. Yeah. Bye. Take care. God bless you.